Okay, got some questions about this coil. Maybe you could help me understand this better. This is some kind of Italian-made coil. It's actually not a coil. It's a motor starter. It's a contactor, a set of heaters, and a coil. And yeah. Anyways, the coil is set up for 220, 60 hertz. All right. It's not marked like A1, A2, like most of them that I understand. Like this pole on the left hand side says 66, and this pole over here says like 90. Maybe that's 99 and 90. Heck, I don't know. Anyways, I'm trying to find out how this works. I know, what L1, L2, L3, L1, L2, L3, and then T1, T2, T3. And I understand the normally closed and normally open set of hold contactors so we can do a start stop. And I understand this is the reset if I want to do a manual shutdown on it. And I understand this is the set of heaters. I adjust it by amp. But what I don't understand is this little switch that says manual or auto, and there's a couple set of contacts here, and then there's another contact here, and then there's this little diagram. Right? So I don't know if I'm supposed to do a start stop through the coil and the normally open, normally closed contactors here, like A1 and A2. But again, I don't know if this is A1 or A2. I don't know which side's normally the ground side with no voltage and which side usually gets the voltage. And another thing, since it's 223 phase, how do I get the voltage from two of these legs to one side of the coil so I can get 220 onto this line, right? Because if I grab two of those and come down to get 220, because each one of the legs is 120 volts coming in from my rotary phase converter, how do I make it 220? Because phase to phase is 220, and phase to phase is 220, and phase to phase is 220. But I need 220 to come in and complete this coil to move the contactor up and down. And then I need my start-stop switch to work in conjunction with this coil and this normally open contactor here. So if you guys can help me understand how to wire this, I'd appreciate it.